You had a plan to visit a client last week, but something came up and you didn't make it. How can you express that change in plans? Well, in English we use a set phrase, and please focus on the sounds. I was supposed to. I was supposed to visit a client last week. You do not need to add anything else, because once you say I was supposed to, it's clear that you didn't do it. Now, you might use I should have visited that client last week, but depending on how you say it, might express regret. Oh, I should have visited him. Whereas when you use I was supposed to do it, it means I didn't do it. Hello, this is Racela from Fluency Routine, and this is Natural English at Work. For more details on how to make these set phrases automatic and use them spontaneously in your day-to-day communication at work, visit the link below.